So, hotel here. It's right on King Street, guys. This is a really good place. Right at the end of King Street, you just go down the walkway here. Take you a little left in there. Over that way, and there's King Street. Fun place, guys. I can imagine what it's like at night. Alright, so this is what a room looks like here. Pretty nice little room. It's got a refrigerator with a ice maker that has made no ice. And it's got nothing in the refrigerator. Nice stove. It's got a microwave, coffee pot, toaster, full cutlery and everything. Dishwasher. Kind of aged. Smells kind of musty in here to me. Table looks oldish. It's got a coat closet here. Oh, look. There's a Disney jacket in there. Let's go into the bathroom here. There's the bathroom. Let's take a look at the shower. It's not that big of a shower, but it'll do. Do just fine. And got this area right here. And then, I was gonna say it didn't have a tub, but it sure does. It's got a full jacuzzi in here. Look at that. And another sink. With a utility closet. You can comfortably stay here for a good long while. And then let's go into the bedroom, where it's got a book reading area here. You can see right here, look, there's a rail line that comes by here, right by here. You can't even hear it. And then a nice size king size bed with a TV. And there you go. Not a bad room at all, huh? But like I said, it's kind of dated, kind of smells musty in here. But other than that, it's a nice sized room. I'm not sure how many points we used to stay here, but it's cheaper than Bonnet Creek for sure. And I will tell you, the staff here was much nicer than Bonnet Creek. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Room 311, Alexandria, Virginia, Wyndham Vacation Club. Cheers!